Hi guys, it's Steffi from the Novelty Corner, and today I have a Luxuread unboxing for you. So this is a monthly subscription box here in Australia. You can choose your genre of box that you would like to receive. I received the romance box. I forget how much it is, but I'll leave a link down below. Every month you get a book, a luxury item, and some tea to enjoy with your book. So it's a very simple box. I really enjoy it. Normally they come in black boxes, but I think they were saying that they were affected by COVID this month in terms of they didn't get a shipment of their boxes in time. But honestly, keep on doing what you're doing. If you're still able to maintain your business and you have to change things to do that, I think that's perfectly fine. Also, the thing that I love this month is it actually came with minimal stuffing things in the box. So yay, less things to recycle. All right, so the tea that I received this month was a T2 chai. I'm not a huge chai person, but I will try this. There is the little spoiler card in here. The luxury item this month is a myrtle and moss hand cream. This packaging is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It's very pretty. So it is rose geranium, grapefruit and clary sage, which I actually really like. Let's see. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so that will go on rotation with my hand cream because all the hand sanitizer, not good. Need hand cream. And then there's a little postcard promo for Myrtle and Moss. And the book this month is Kiss My Cupcake by Helena Hunting. And I've actually seen this on NetGalley. So this one is about someone who is opening a cupcake and cocktails shop, and then someone opens a sports bar right next door. And so they're not particularly happy. So I'm looking forward to reading this. This will be fun, just to have another romance book. I have read one or two Helena Hunting books, so it'll be nice to try something a little bit different from her. So that is everything that came in the Luxuread box. Like I said, it's a really simple box. I love it for its simplicity, and I just get a book out of it that I'm hopefully going to really enjoy. As I said, I'll leave all the links down below so you can check out Luxuread. I know that they do a crime box. I think they do a general fiction box. They've got all sorts of different things that you can check out there, and you can just buy past books if you would like, I think. I hope that wherever you are in the world, you are doing really well and staying safe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.